Someone just sent you a 25-page document. What would you do? If your instinct is to start reading it from page 1, then you are going into the wrong direction. Because any long form document, it is not for you to read completely. You just want to extract the main points that you can take action on. You can make your decisions on. Let me show you how you can do it within 60 seconds. Now here is the document you are scrolling through. By page 4, you're losing focus. Now you are at page 8 and you are just skimming through it. Now it's page 15 and you have forgotten what was there on page 1. That's not a you problem. That is passive reading putting pressure on your brain. Here is the actual issue. You are taking a decision-making process and turning it into a reading assignment. Your job is not to go through a 25-page document. Let me be very clear about it. Your job is to understand that what this document is about, what it is asking from you, and what are the action you can take on this information. That's it. Let me show you how you can do it within 60 seconds without flipping one page. So here I took a random document from my office and I'm putting it into ChatGPT just to show you that how things work. So here I have uploaded the PDF file and I'm going to voice prompt it like all my videos. I have uploaded a document. Please do these 3 things. Number 1, summarize the entire document in 5 bullet points. Number 2, tell me what action or decision is being asked from me. Number 3, list any deadlines, numbers or names I need to know. Keep everything conscious. That's it. Wait for the output. See, 5 bullet points covering the whole document. 1 line on what's being asked of you. Key names, numbers, deadlines, everything is there. You now know everything that you want to know under 60 seconds without reading a single page. But do you know what? If you need more information, you can always ask. So, suppose if you need the summary of some point that you didn't understand, ask ChatGPT again. Can you explain point 3 in more detail? What exactly is being proposed there? See, here is the output. You're not reading the document, you are interrogating it. You are having a conversation with the document. See, that's the shift I'm looking for. You are not actively consuming the document, but passively asking questions to it. And you are controlling your time, not the document. Okay, now let's see a similar problem. Same, but little different. Someone has tagged you on an email. And by the way, it's a long email thread of about 20 different emails. Someone tagged you on the 5th email and someone asked you a question about the first email on the 9th email. It's confusing. If you're going through an email thread, it is actually confusing for you. So let's simplify this. Now, this is an email that I have got from my work, and as usual, I'm going to open ChatGPT and going to prompt it. This is an email thread I have been added to. Number 1, what is the core issue being discussed? Number 2, what has been decided so far? Is there anything that requires my input or action? Be very brief. Hold on for a second. And here it is. Core issue, decisions made, your action, if any. Now you are caught up with that whole email thread within 30 seconds without even reading a single line. Now you can reply to that email and make people happy. So from this video, I want you to take that one action. Open the longest email thread where you have been tagged and someone is asking you a random question. Do the same thing that I just showed you and reply to that email. What this would do is, it would help you to turn this particular solution into a habit. And this is what my channel is about. Building habit that saves your time, that makes your life easier. In my next video, I'm going to talk about meetings. Meetings that you have every week, meetings that you have every single day, multiple times. And I'm going to show you how you can prepare for it the right way. So, if you like my content, subscribe to my channel and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.